Hey all, I'm Pokemon Mike and welcome back to another random pack a day. And, well, once again, Slowking, same card as, what's the Chilling Rain, this last card that I have of it. And, well, Paldea Evolved, which, I think there's a Slowking in there. Was it Scarlet and Violet? Let's just get straight into it. Code there, and I'll go fighting. No, electric. Oh, the banger. Belly Bolt EX. So I don't think I'll be doing it that way anymore. There's the Paldea sleeve. So that kind of wrecked it. But I'll just go through quickly the cards here. And yeah, Quaxley and for Practice Studio. So if I remember right, yep. The hollow and non-hollow in the same pack. So that took a bit of the excitement out. It just accidentally came out. And the replacement pack in there. So thanks for watching and come back again tomorrow for another video. Well, just for some reason, nope, I must have been thinking about it. Some reason I've seen the card. It could have been in a video I've watched. So in the folder it goes. And thanks for watching, and yep, come back again tomorrow for another video.